I have already introduced myself, but you don't know each other. So why don't we start
Okay.
introduction? So Sabjar, you can introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Sabzar Ahmad Bhatt. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I live in a small village. His name is Saimo, in a district Pulwama. I have done a PG in history from Indira Gandhi National Open University in 2015. Uh, right now, I am preparing myself for an examination, and my hobbies are playing cricket and playing with children because I like to play with children. And my interests are I like to help people uh,
Reels.
whenever they need, and I like to make good friends, uh, and that is it.
Okay. Okay. So now you can introduce yourself. You can give a brief introduction about yourself to Sabjar.
Okay, so good afternoon, all, and thank
Good
you so
afternoon.
much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Vineeta Chaudhary. I live in Delhi with my parents. I have done my graduation and post graduation both from Delhi University, and I also qualified net examination thrice. And I'm working to qualify JRF scholarship. Along with that, I have also started appearing for the guest interviews in colleges, and that's all.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Interesting. I hope now you have got to know each other a little bit. So today I have picked up a very interesting topic. We can talk about this topic a lot.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
we are excited.
Okay. So the topic is, what are the resolutions you have taken for 2024 and how you are working on it? How you are working on those resolutions? Sabjar,
Ma'am, can you please repeat again?
2024 में क्या resolutions लिए हैं और
Okay, ma'am.
क्या काम चल रहा है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we can start from Ekta. Do you have a long list?
Actually, you can see a big smile on my face because I'm thinking about this topic. When 2024 started now, I had this thing in my mind that I would not take any resolution this year because last year I took some of the resolution which I could not, complete. So I this year I thought that I would not take any resolution, but I will go along with the time because I because I realized this thing I realized this thing that things never goes as you plan them. So therefore I didn't take any resolution. But if you ask me to think about some of the resolution or think some of the things that I want to do in this year, so those things would be probably first I would like to work very very hard because this time this year I want to be settled down somewhere. That means that I want to be economically independent. I want to get job this year. I would work very hard. And the second thing, I would work on my physics. I would do exercise. I would have a good uh, food. I will avoid as much as I the outside food or the fast food. Also this year I will work on myself. And I also meet different people because I am very introvert kind of person. But I started to talk with people, so I would become more social this year.
Mhm.
And I would spend my time with my family a lot. I would make some memorable memories with them. And one more thing, I would work on my PhD proposal because I really wanted to do something for environment. I'm very concerned about the degrading conditions that we are facing.
Now, Sabjar, we can go ahead with your New Year
Okay.
resolution.
Okay. Clearly speaking, in 2024, I have three resolutions because right now I realized that my first preference is learn English very well, because I realized that English is very important for life and your future.
Mm-hmm.
Because if I learn English very well, so that I can get a job easily, because job is also a resolution for me in 2020, because a job is very important for my life,
Mm-hmm.
for my family and my future, because everyone need money and I also need money. um, and
Okay.
right now I am preparing government job, for government job, and
Mm-hmm.
my resolution is also for a government job.
Mm-hmm.
uh, so I will selected somewhere, uh, uh, only 2-3 resolutions right now, not too much.
ओके, फिटनेस का कोई रिजोल्यूशन नहीं लिया? यूजुअली वो लोग सब ले लेते हैं.
Ma'am, actually, fitness, I think I am I am fit. I don't need any fitness resolution. So let us hope I will work on my physique. But right now, I have not considered this one.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, fitness is not big thing for me, because where I live, here is so natural resources, where I can walk and something do anything with, and I uh, go to anywhere, and uh, here is a natural, is nature is very beautiful, and we Kashmiris don't need to do so many things for physique.
ओके, ओके, ओके. सो चलो मैं बता देती हूँ. मेरा और एकता का 2 रिजोल्यूशंस तो कॉमन है. वन इज वर्किंग ऑन फिटनेस दैट आई डू,
Yes.
बट वर्किंग मोर. एंड
Mhm.
सेकंड इज मीटिंग न्यू पीपल मोर एंड मोर.
Okay.
बट तुम दोनों का एक कॉमन है, गेटिंग अ जॉब दिस ईयर.
Yes,
यस.
ma'am.
ओके, ओके. आई होप I hope you will work on your resolution and you are
Okay.
working on them.
I wish you the same. I wish you two both the same.
ओके, ओके, थैंक यू. बट मेरा एक और है, टीचिंग इंग्लिश टू मैनी पीपल.
Okay.
ओके,
I hope you get succeed.
ओके, यस. आई एम होपिंग द सेम. ओके, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट. यस, यस.